how did you get into more advanced post-production and things like that?
In post-production, in television channel, I'm mixing to most popular show in The Biggest Loser, Bachelor. I'm recorded and after I post production and mix this.
Is that the Ukrainian Biggest Loser or the American Biggest Loser?
It's adapting Biggest Loser for Ukrainian market.
Okay. So that must have been a lot of recording for a reality show, right?
I have a team sound.
He had a crew.
I have a team sound boy, sound guy, and не знаю даже
With celebrity, maybe.
yeah, celebrity.